All right, let's take a look at how to find some of the data we've been discussing when given a stem and a leaf plot. So it says Bean goes fishing and catches 16 fish. So 16 fish is important, okay, because that's going to tell us some information about how to use the data. Displayed by their length in the stem plot below, create a box plot of the fish lengths. Well, we can't do any of this unless we know how to read it. So we look at our key and we see that dash 10 equals 10 inches. Okay, I'm sorry, not 1-10. That was wrong of me. 1-0 equals 10 inches. All right, so we can use that key. And the first thing we should do is we should write them on order. So 0 would just mean that we write the numbers to the right. So 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 12, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and 22. Now let's check to make sure we have 16 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now it says find the interquartile range. Well, if there's 16 of them, then the middle of it is going to be in between the 8th and 9th one. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So our middle is going to be in between those two values. So to find our median, it's 10 plus 12 over 2, which equals 22 over 2, which equals 11. Now, do you remember in the last example how when we had an odd amount, we didn't use the median value? Because here our median is technically in the middle. When we go to find Q1 and Q3, we're going to use all the values given. So let's take a look at what that means. So to find Q1, I'm going to use all of this data. How much do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me double check that. I have 8 pieces of data. So to find Q1 is going to equal the 4th plus the 5th value cut in half. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're both 9, which is good, which means that our Q1 is 9. Now, same thing is going to happen on the other side. So we're going to look from 12 to 22, 1, 2, 3, 4. So Q3 is going to be in between 15 and 17. So Q3 will equal 15 plus 17 cut in half, which will equal 16. Okay, so find the interquartile range. Our interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, which will equal 16 minus 9. So our interquartile range is a range of 7, or you can just say 16, from 9 to 16, between which two values is approximately 50% of the middle data contained. So the two values for this one would be Q1 and Q3. So 50% of the values, so 50% between 9 and 16. Now to find the range of the data is going to be your max minus your min. So here our max is 22, our min is 7. So what is 22 minus 7? That is 15. What percentage of the fish were greater than 9 inches long? Well, for part D, we know that we have 16 values. So part D is going to be down here. Okay, well, how many are greater than 9? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 out of 16 of them would be greater. Let's see, 10 out of 16 is 5 out of 8. I do not have a calculator on me. So let's see. And I did this wrong anyways. So 10, it'd just be 5 out of 8, which is a little over 50%. I think it's like 63% actually, now that I remember. And what percentage of the fish were greater than 7 but less than 16? We will have to answer it another time because I'm running out of video space.